Some of the favorite cuisines of South Asia were brought via Persian trade or invasion. The origin of gulab jamun was from Persian dessert lokma, which was prepared by soaking the curd balls in honey and topping them with sugar. Jalebi, another sweet, is derived from the Persian word zulabiya or zalibiya. These syrup-coated entangled treats were brought from Persia in the 15th century. South Asian specialty samosa was introduced from the Middle East. Samosa was made with meat stuffing. Tea or chai was originally brought from China. Chai has now become the lifeblood of South Asians. Coffee entered the region by Baba Budan, a Muslim saint from Karnataka, smuggling 7 mocha beans from present-day Yemen.